In this video, I'll show you how to add a download PDF button in RDLC report. For that, first open your form in design view, then toolbox, then from toolbox, drag a button onto the form. Here, toolbox is present in the left side. Here I'm dragging a simple button onto our report viewer. Now go to properties, which is present below the solution explorer, and click on all properties and change text and name value. And then place this button above the report viewer. This text will be shown above the button, shown as a method in the form. Now double click the button. This will automatically create a method like this. This method will run when we click the button. Now inside this method, we write the code to convert report into PDF. Use try-catch block to handle errors. This ensures that if any error occurs, our application does not crash. Now warning, string, stream IDs and string min type. These variables are required by the report viewer to generate the PDF. Here, warnings store any report warnings, and a stream ID is an internal stream. MIME type is a file type, encoding is a format, and extension is a file extension. Now I'm adding a report viewer one, which is the name of our report view. To get bind to the button, it converts the RDLC report into PDF format. Here, PDF tells system to generate PDF. And report viewer is a report control, and we are using byte because our output is stored in byte array. Now next I'll add file path. This line sets the location where PDF will be saved. Here, .get folder path, I'm setting it as desktop. Our PDF will be saved in desktop of the system and it will be named as salary slip. You can name it as you want. Now in next line, I'm saving the file. In next line, we will write the code to open the PDF. This will automatically opens the PDF after downloading. Inside the message box, this will show the confirmation to the user and it will be displayed when we are downloading the PDF. Next, I'm writing a catch block. If any error occurs, it will display the error message instead of getting crashed. Now I'll run the project. Once the report loads, click on Download PDF button. Here we can see the PDF is generated and saved on desktop and it is automatically opened. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.